This video is a quick start guide on how to use Mingda's Orca slicing software. This software is how we import a 3D file created in SignMaker to tell the printer how to print. To start, we'll click New Project. On the left-hand side, you'll see Printer, where we select the correct printer from the drop-down menu. Below Printer, we have Filament, where we can click the drop-down and select the type of material we are using. We can also use the drop-down to select custom profiles that we have created, and we can click on the plus and minus symbol to add or remove filament. And finally, below Filament, we have Process Settings, where you can also create custom profiles by accessing through the drop-down menu. The process settings refer to the collection of parameters that control how the printer manufactures the model, including the print quality, speed, strength, and overall printing behavior. There are 3 ways to import your model. Number 1 is to go to File and Import. Number 2, to drop and drag your file. Or the most popular method is to click Add in your top control panel. The top command panel has the functions that you will use most. The Add Plate feature allows you to create multiple bed plates so you can organize, prepare, and slice different models or print jobs separately within the same project. The Auto Orientate feature automatically rotates and positions a model into the most suitable printing orientation. Also, the Lay on Face function automatically orientates a model so that a selected surface is placed flat against the build plate. The Move function allows you to reposition a model anywhere on the virtual build plate by adjusting its X, Y, and Z coordinates to control where it will print. In addition, you can just click the model to freely move it around. The Scale function lets you uniformly or non-uniformly resize a model in X, Y, and Z directions to make it larger or smaller before slicing and printing. The Rotate function allows you to change the orientation of a model by spinning it around the X, Y, or Z axes to achieve the desired printing position. You can also type values in, which allows you to precisely control the model's angle by manually entering exact degrees. The Cut function lets you split a model into separate parts along a chosen plane so each section can be printed, modified, arranged independently, or also changed color. When we right-click the model, we have a number of commands. This can be particularly popular for changing the filament. Another popular command is the Clone, if you wish to make copies of the current model selected. You can then use the Arrange All Objects function, which will automatically distribute and position all models on the build plate in an efficient layout to maximize space usage and prepare them for printing. Notice how if I try to lay 2 objects on top of each other, a warning message will pop up to let me know that they are too close together. We can hold Ctrl-A on the keyboard to select all of the objects on the bed. We can then right-click and hit Assemble. This will allow the objects to move as one. Once you're happy with your model, you can go ahead and click Slice. This step is creating the J-code which the 3D printer understands. If we are connected to our printer remotely, we can select Print. If not, we can export it to a USB pen.